always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
It is downright gorgeous outside right now, especially at our lakeshore areas. Look at this view in South Haven, glistening water. A lot of boats out enjoying the water temperatures too. It's incredibly warm this week. And our air temperatures are just as enjoyable. We're sitting at 84 in Grand Rapids, 82 in Allegan. Just a beautiful summer day, and it is a little humid outside, but we expect that this time of year. Temps tonight are going to be dropping down to about 67 degrees. It is still going to be a touch muggy, but we're not expecting much. Basically a mostly clear night, a slight chance of an isolated sprinkle, but most of us are just going to have a really easy overnight and a really easy start to Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be warmer than today, up near 87 degrees. We are going to see a few afternoon clouds, and we're expecting some showers and storms after dark, especially. And these are the storms that we're watching. This next round, as it pushes in, should be stronger upstream than it is in West Michigan, but we're on the 2 in the scale of the severe weather risk, which means a slight risk, which means maybe 1 or 2 of the thunderstorms that pass through Wednesday night into Thursday could have some damaging wind gusts. But it looks like most of the severe potential is going to be further upstream in Wisconsin. We get the leftovers, so to speak. So here are the big takeaways for Wednesday night storms. The timeline is looking like between 10 o'clock on Wednesday and then 7 a.m. on Thursday. So this is an overnight ordeal. Most of us are just going to see heavy rain out of this. But again, there is that outside potential that we could see some strong or even damaging winds. So here's how it looks on your futurecast. Overnight tonight, quiet. Through the day tomorrow, another beautiful day. It's going to heat up pretty quickly with the highs topping out in the upper 80s. As we continue through Wednesday evening, though, we'll likely start to see some of the clouds thicken up, and it's well after dark, closer to about 10, 11 o'clock, that we'll likely see the first round of showers and storms make it on shore. This actually isn't the rounds that we're expecting to be severe either. It actually looks like the ones overnight through about 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. had the better chance of producing some damaging wind gusts. Some of us wake up at that time frame, so you could have to battle that as you're waking up and getting out the door. All of this clears out very quickly, though, and eventually by Thursday afternoon it's back to sunshine. We could pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches from this. Some spots like Mount Pleasant, Lansing, a little under that amount, but many of us seeing some pretty decent rain. 3-day forecast shows that during the daytime we should be dry for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday is going to cool down too. Our temperatures in the 70s, actually a stretch of 70s here on the way. So it's going to be a beautiful summer-like stretch, and then we'll ease into more comfortable conditions for next week.